Hey everyone, it's Sandrine. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I know that it's been a very long time since I have uploaded, edited, all of the things, a new video. It's been a very long time, but I'm finally back. It's just taking me a while to get back into the editing swing of things. It's not necessarily that I took a break, but just wasn't happy with a lot of the videos that I was editing. But I have a lot of content that I am wanting to share with you guys. If you follow me over on Instagram, you've got a little sneak peek. So I'm coming back to my YouTube channel with my Not So Scary. I actually have my wristband right here. Not So Scary vlog. I haven't finished the July vlog. I of course went back in August. I recently got back in September. Me and my friend Bree, she has recently become an annual pass holder, so we are currently getting ready to plan, if not head to another trip the weekend before Halloween. We're also planning to go in November and January, so there are a lot of videos that are coming your guys' way. I definitely want to do a video, a coffee chats rather, sitting down and talking about how I do a weekend at Disney. You guys can hear, that's Bree. But you guys kind of got a little sneak peek at my March trip, because that was a weekend trip, but that was like a little under 72 hours in Disney. My most recent trip, literally 2 weekends ago with Bree, was a little under 48 hours. Now that we both have annual passes, it's really not much for us to do other than book a flight and head out. And I live on the East Coast, she lives in Texas, but flights are reasonable to where 42 hours in the park is not that big of a deal, really. Just kind of spending our weekends in Disney. Yes, it's a weekend, it is what it is. We just like to go. We go so often that we don't need like a full park day to be satisfied. We spent all day at Epcot. I was able to get my annual pass holder Oswald magnet, and we just spent all day in Epcot eating and drinking around the world. We rode Guardians twice. It's now become her new favorite ride, which is my new favorite ride. It has been such a fun time this year, just being in the parks with my annual pass and sharing it with you guys. And of course, I'm definitely going to renew when that time comes for me to renew. But in the meantime, I hope that you guys will enjoy this Not So Scary vlog. And then after this Not So Scary vlog, I will resume my July vlogs, where I spent a couple of days at the Boardwalk Villas, which was mixed feelings, and you guys will see in that vlog, as well as my whole August flight fiasco. Always a flight fiasco with me, but that flight fiasco was an even bigger flight fiasco. It took me 3 days to get home. You guys just gonna have to stay tuned to see what happened in that vlog. Thank you guys as always for following, subscribing, liking, commenting. Follow me over on Instagram, all the things, and let's get into the Not So Scary vlog. We're getting ready for Not So Scary. It is about to be 4 o'clock. You can get in starting at 4, but I plan on staying until midnight, so I don't need to be there right at 4. One of my biggest regrets in life was not vlogging earlier enough, because I went to Very Merry back in November and loved it. Big advocate for specialty parties or after hours events. If you can ever make your way to one, highly recommend you go to one at least. Even though it is August, we're still going to have some fun in here. This vinyl bag is from Mickey and Mandy. I will of course have them linked. I used to PR for them. I was not a PR, I guess, what is it, like a brand rep for them back in the spring. So if you're wondering, why do you have so many things from that shop and why do you always shout out that shop? A, because I love their shop, but B, I used to brand rep for them. So I have a lot of Mickey and Mandy, but also their stuff is really cute. So this is the lining on the inside, by the way. like I said, will of course have their shop link down below. I'm excited for the parade. I'm excited for the fireworks, stage show, all the things. There's apparently a Tron boarding group being dropped at 6 o'clock for party guests, very similar to when I was here back in July and I stayed at the boardwalk. There was a 6 p.m. Virtual queue drop for extended evening hours guest for both Tron and Guardians. That was when I rode Tron, actually, for the first time, was during my extended evening hours. I would never pay for Tron, so there's that. I want to give it one more try. I'm indifferent about Tron as of right now. So we'll try it. If I don't get the boarding group, because I will be in the park at that time. So if I don't get the boarding group, it's fine. Like I'll be okay. The party, like I said, doesn't even start until 7. So I'm not even going to do party things until 7. So until then, I'm gonna get dinner. I'm excited for all the ride overlays. Space Mountain, namely, riding it in the pitch black dark. Haunted Mansion has a live actor outside of the queue, which you would think they would do more things, but I guess there's really only so much they can do for that ride as like an overlay. I believe that's all the things that I have overlays for. Honestly, couldn't tell you. Like I said, I've never been to Not So Scary, so we're gonna go on this adventure together. I'm going to be double timing it because I am also actively posting stories on my Instagram. So the vlog is going to be all over the place because whenever I'm not vlogging, I'm posting on Instagram. So follow me on Instagram for exclusive, not exclusive, what am I talking about? For real-time postings. Because if you're following me on Instagram, you'll see this in real time. If you're not following me on Instagram, you'll see this whenever I post this vlog. I will say this vlog will be posted within a reasonable time. So you guys will see this vlog actually next. So right now I have my pack with me vlog from my July trip and nothing else, because the way that I filmed that vlog, I'm still trying to edit it. It was a mess, y'all. It was a complete mess. I was not prepared to film that vlog. So y'all haven't seen anything from that because it's a mess. So while I figure that vlog out, I'll post this one. So this is going to be way out of order. Like, y'all are going to see this before the rest of the July vlogs, before this August vlog. You're going to be so confused, and that's okay. I took some suggestions from Reddit, and I think I said this in a previous clip, but I took some suggestions from Reddit on costumes. So on my Instagram, which again, follow me on Instagram, I took costume ideas. From Reddit, I took costume tips. A bunch of Reddit posts said to bound, don't wear a full costume, especially if you're going in August, which I have definitely taken up that suggestion because I was here in July and died actively. So, I am bounding the character that was suggested by you guys on my Instagram. tell who I am based on the outfit. Can you? Can you? Can you? No? Hold on. Hold on, wait. Wait, 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 wait. Hold on. Hold on. Can you see? Oh, obsessed. I'm not gonna turn the light on until nighttime, so we're gonna rock with the no light. But I'm Marie. These ears I will have linked down below. I have little, ooh, can you even, Mickey Ghost earrings from Bobble Bar, Amazon, Cloud Foams, Pandora bracelet, and where is she? She's flipped up right now. I even have a little Marie charm. Cute. And my phone case is Marie as well. I just switched this for tonight only, and then I'll go back to had my bear. This is the fit. It's comfortable, it's light, but it still gets the point across that this is who I am. I am also doing a first. I am a Loungefly girly. Loungefly, but for not so scary, belt bag that I soda patch on. Is this how all the girls are wearing? How all the girls are wearing their belt bags? This is how I'm gonna wear mine. Okay. This is the fit. I wish I would have brought a different watch strap, but at this point it doesn't matter. Let's go to Not So Scary. So I stood back here. Yeah. Because I'm trying to get Tron. Also, I stopped at Joffrey's. I was gonna go somewhere else, but then everybody started taking pictures by the Cinderellas. Wishing well. But we're like 5 minutes away from Tron. We'll see how that goes. Definitely choosing to bound instead of wearing full-blown costumes is the move. These people who are in like full-blown like costumes, I have mad respect for y'all, because absolutely not.
The visionary ideas throughout Walt Disney World. Look, there's even a tiny people mover. I wonder if that means there's a tiny Borak.
Here at the mansion. So much so, we started celebrating in the middle of August. Or as we call it, the nightmare before Labor Day.
delightful treat. Why, anything can happen on Halloween, as some friends found out on a night much like this one. Oh, but I'm getting ahead of myself. Oh, Zero! Here, boy! Zero! Where is that dog? Ah, there you are, Zero.
That will be long remembered! What is it, Mary? I smell children. Children? There's so many of them, and they're all dressed like you. Of course. Yeah. And what makes you think we need your help, Shadow Man?
Don't you disrespect me, little lady.
Well, you can't stop the things I do. I lie. Oh, it's been 300 years, right down to the day. Now the liquor's back.
Ghostly greetings! Piggy, Minnie, and all their friends have come together at the spookiest time of the year to say boo to you as they proudly present the not-so-scary Mickey's Boo to You Halloween Parade!